Hi, I'm Tanika Carter, and this is Raw Memphis.
Hi, my name is Tyriel and I'm a fashion designer. I've been doing what I'm doing today for since I was 13, really. I'm 26 years old. It was the first time I picked up a sewing machine was at 13. I listen to music to get my inspiration, and I go from there, however it makes me feel, whether it's dark and romantic, exotic and exciting. That's how I design my clothes. I'm working with the makeup artist, an amazing makeup artist, TK Hollywood, Tarika Lee, who did my makeup today. And I'm working with some gorgeous models, modeling my designs. My dream is to, inspire the next person to design. Get somebody else to believe in what they do, believe that they can make something of this, make something of fashion, the fashion industry. Raw give you the opportunity to do different things, see different artists, see how different artists work. And as an artist myself, in the fashion industry, that's a beautiful thing, because certain things can inspire people, and it's amazing how the mind works. One people might see something from a different aspect, and for them to do it in a piece of art and for you to see it, it's kind of warming. Go to Facebook, Instagram, Tyriel Lee, T-E-R-I-L-L-E-E. My name is Tyriel Lee and I am a raw artist.